Ever wondered how ChatGPT could turn your knowledge into an online course without breaking a sweat? Let's dive into the secret sauce that'll make you a course creation pro. In this video, I am going to break the process down into a simple step-by-step process. I will show you how to use ChatGPT to create content for your YouTube channel or for any other online platform with ease. Whether you're looking for video ideas, scripts, or even titles, ChatGPT can be a game changer. Let's dive in. Before we get started, don't forget to like and share my video with your family and friends. This content is too good not to share. Step 1. Idea generation. First things first, let's talk about coming up with content ideas. Sometimes it's hard to know what your audience wants or even what you should talk about next. That's where ChatGPT comes in. You can type straight into ChatGPT and ask, ChatGPT, give me 5 video ideas for a tech YouTube channel. Or you can simply ask ChatGPT for video ideas based on your niche. For example, ask ChatGPT to generate ideas for a tech YouTube channel. You can customize the question to suit your own channel, be it cooking, travel, gaming, or anything else. Here are 5 video ideas based around my original question. 1. Top 10 smartphones of 2024. 2. How AI is changing the tech industry. 3. Best budget laptops for students. 4. Future of virtual reality. What's next? 5. Unboxing the latest Apple product. Is it worth it? As you can see, ChatGPT gives you a range of ideas to choose from. Now, let's say I like the idea about smartphones or anything else. Let's move on to step 2. Step 2, script writing. Once you've chosen your video idea, the next step is creating a script. I find that writing scripts can be time-consuming, but with ChatGPT it can save you a lot of time and effort. Type in ChatGPT, write a 5-minute script for a video on top 10 smartphones of 2024. Here, I'm asking ChatGPT to help me write a script for a specific video. You can be as detailed as you want. For example, you could mention that I want an introduction, key points for each available phone, and a conclusion. Here is an example of an introduction. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 10 smartphones of 2024. Whether you're upgrading or buying your first smartphone, we've got you covered. And just like that, ChatGPT provides an outline and detailed content. You can tweak it as needed, but the heavy lifting is already done. Step 3. Editing and personalization. Next, you'll want to make sure the script aligns with your style. ChatGPT provides a solid base, but you should personalize it. I'll add in some of my own thoughts, jokes, or additional facts to make it sound more like me. Don't forget to inject your personality and make it fun. ChatGPT is a great starting point, but you can add your voice to make it unique to your channel. Step 4. Creating a title and description. Now that you have your script, it's time for the finishing touches, the title and description. Type this into ChatGPT, suggest a catchy YouTube title for a video on top 10 smartphones of 2024. Ask ChatGPT to suggest some attention-grabbing titles, so you have a few to choose from. A good title is key to getting people to click on your video. Here are a few suggestions. Top 10 smartphones you need in 2025. The best smartphones of 2024 are top picks. And are these the 10 best smartphones of 2024? Pick one of these or modify it further. A great title will help your video stand out in the search results. Step 5. Thumbnail text. After you've got your script title and description, you'll also want a compelling thumbnail. ChatGPT can help here too. Ask ChatGPT, suggest some short text for a thumbnail about the top 10 smartphones of 2024. A thumbnail is like the face of your video, so it needs to grab attention. ChatGPT can give you ideas for short, punchy text. Here are a few suggestions. Best phones 2024. Top 10 smartphones, and don't miss these phones. These can be used directly or inspire your design. You'll want bold text that's easy to read on smaller screens. Step 6. Video editing help. Finally, ChatGPT can even help you brainstorm editing ideas. For example, you can ask for suggestions on background music or visuals. Ask ChatGPT, suggest video transitions and background music ideas for a tech review video. Ask for transitions or music recommendations to enhance your video's flow. For transitions, you could use smooth crossfades, zoom-ins for phone close-ups, or quick cuts between different models. For background music, try upbeat electronic beats to match the tech vibe. So there you have it. Using ChatGPT can help you come up with video ideas, write scripts, craft titles, and even help with thumbnails and editing tips. It's like having a content assistant on hand 24/7. Try these steps out for yourself and see how ChatGPT can streamline your YouTube content creation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're using ChatGPT in your own content creation. It won't be long, and you'll be able to monetize your videos. Add affiliate links. It takes time, perseverance to build a video catalog and start generating significant income, but you can do it. Make multiple videos on similar themes that align with your channel and branding. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips.